Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic daily productivity sheets from the Happy Planner, and I will be decorating 4 of them for work. So I normally just randomly pick sticker books, so I thought I'd go with Minimalist. I haven't decorated with that since February. Squad goals, and Caregiver. All right, let's get started. All right, one of the reasons I really like decorating the daily is because it really does force me to use my sticker books. And I'm trying to remember what color scheme I used last time. Let's just go with the green here. Don't overthink, just do it. And I think that's also my whole philosophy with planning as well. Don't overthink it. Just put the sticker down. If you're not happy with it, you can use a different, or you can flip the page and you don't have to look at it again. So, all right, then find something for here. I feel like I've used this sticker book quite well. But now it's trying to find different ways of using it. Ooh, I like the Today sticker. Although I almost feel like I should use the Today sticker for my actual meetings. So let's put that there. And then here I could put, oh, I should have done it the other way around, like note to self, and then, oh no, I can still use these. So I can use the gray. Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to use the gray for like my to-do lists down here. And then I'll actually use one of these quotes. Maybe not, I don't know, would green on green would work well. There's checklist. Whoopsie. Or maybe what I'm going to do is use this and put it in between the two to add a little bit of a pattern. Then, yes, I like that the word priorities is here already. I don't have to think about it. There we go. I really like the green. And then today will just be notes that, yeah, don't forget. I'm gonna do something here. Kind of combine the two. So have a little hexagon with a don't forget. I enjoy that. And then say yes to your big dreams. I feel like that should go there. And then let's see what else I can put down for quotes, because I feel like I've used them all. No, there's some here. So, today, say yes to your big dreams. I like this. Maybe this green instead. And then I actually really like that. I'm liking the simplicity of it, although I really want something here. Just don't know what yet. Oh, there's green. There's a green quote that I could work with. But it's just exactly the same as that, so I don't know if I want to put 2 of the exact same thing down. I don't think I do. No, I don't think I do want to put 2 of the same things down. So what I might do, see, I hate this. Stickers aren't cut properly here. So I'm going to take Time to Shine. with, let's see what I have here. Whoops, come on. I'm going to put focus, me, and then a time to shine. I don't know, just something there. All right, so simple, minimalist. And yeah, actually, sometimes the daily doesn't need to be a ton of stickers. It's just what you can do with it. All right, so let's move on to Plan With Me number 2. Plan With Me number 2 is with squad goals. And I actually really like this sticker book because there's so many different themes that you can work from. So let's see, for squad goals, which one do I want to work with? Oh, you know what, let's use this fun one at the back. I mean, there's a workout one. I don't really need to use that here. The office one I feel like I've used already. So let's do the fun, springy one. Okay, so let's go to the back. I love these. Love those. I wonder if there's a way to, because it's like really the length of the page, right? So, oh, I'm committing. Ooh. Oh. Oh, and I wrecked it. So if I do this, one long sticker down the side, you can tell where it's been a little bit ripped. And then I'm going to put something up here. Wipe that out so it can't be seen. Let's put something decorative there because why not? There's do all the things. One of these really pretty girls. Oh no, that's the workout one. Get it done, it's okay. I'm going to put down a do all the things, but then add some florals with it. Yeah. Okay. Let's put that down. And just a little floral. I really like that, actually. And then I'm going to put let's just put a planner down. Because I mean, that's where I'm going to take my notes. And then here, I'm going to move priorities as well. So let's put down today. Oh, hello, there's these as well. So don't forget today. I'm going to put, don't forget in the yellow. It's crooked, but you know what, I really don't care. And then let's put one of these girls down. No, you know what, I can't use that one because it's not going to be enough for all the meetings that I have that day. Best bet is this one, so I can fit as many as I can in there. So I'll put this down here with the today sticker. And then I'm going to choose something big to go down here. I think this today sticker is, I think, a bit much actually. So what I'll do is go back and use this one for my to-do lists. So I am using a lot of boxes in this spread. I don't normally use this many, but it's what's working. And actually, so I'm gonna take a to-do sticker and then place it here. And then I'm gonna put a girl here. I forgot that. So let's put her down there. With a few more florals around, because why not? And then I want something to go across, but what? Maybe just a few of these. Just to go across, just to kind of cover that bottom area. So it kind of connects it all. Actually, I really like the scissors, but I don't think that's going to work. One more, and then I think I'm done. All right, that is cute. I love this big sticker down the side, and I'm glad I was able to use it. All right, let's move on to Plan With Me number 3. All right, so the third Plan With Me is going to be with Caregiver, and this is what I did use this week in my, what's it called? My other planners. Ugh. So let's put this down here. I really like the green. Then I don't think this one has like huge boxes. On a positive note, take note. Okay, I just used this and you'd think I'd remember what's in it, but I don't. I'm gonna take one of the take notes, actually 2 of them, and place them in the to-do list area as straight as I can. Oh, I can already tell it's not straight. Ugh. And then cover up reminders, because that's, there we go. Okay, so let's use on a positive note. I feel like what I'm going to end up doing is putting this down here, and then I will take one of these bigger boxes as often as possible behind to do. Let's see what other big boxes there are, unless I've used them all already, which is highly possible. Yeah. So let's do pink. It's going to be a very boxy spread. That's okay. And today I'm going to, yes, put this one thing at a time. And then that's going to be really hard to photograph. You won't be able to see that as well. And then under priorities, let's do just a simple to do. Because there's my priorities for the day and then little to-do lists. And then I'm going to put just this quote. To the world, you may be one person, but to one person, you may be the world. There's a lot of quotes in this particular spread, but I do not mind. I'm going to put I'm exactly where I need to be. All right, this one this one would normally be very difficult for me because there's not a lot of decoration. It's more just boxes. But you know what? I really like how it turned out. So that is Plan With Me number 3. Plan With Me number 4 is with goals, and I've hardly ever used this sticker book. I've used it like once. So this will be different. This will definitely be different. Ooh, I like all of the icons though. So let's see, bedtime routine, morning routine. I like that. the best project you will work on is yourself. So sometimes I really just choose the first sticker that I just connect with. It happened to be that one. And I'm gonna go with that color scheme. Work hard. Is there another one with the green? The green big works well. And I need another one for today. There are a lot of boxes though, so that works. The notes and things, I feel like that's, I kind of noted, here we go. I'm gonna put this here. And that'll be for my to-do lists. And I'm noticing how crooked these are. Oops. Then I feel like I'm going with the whole green here. And let's see. Talking about fitness goals. And there's one that's like, hooray, you did it. Here we go. This is the page I wanted. Stay positive, and then the goal crushed. I'm gonna just take this stay positive and place that here. And then I already have a dream big there, so I'm not really gonna use that. Starve your distractions and feed your soul. I like it. And this is going to be on a Thursday when it's not going to be like, is it going to be super crazy for me that day? Possibly. I'm going to put this down here just to add another box. And I actually really like that. I feel like that makes a difference. Okay, I'm going to leave that. And I like the color scheme that I've chosen for that. So simple, nothing too crazy. Plan with me number 4. So here are the overall finished spreads. The first one with Minimalist, the second one with Squad Goals, and I actually really like the two. I like using simpler color schemes. And then this one with Caregiver and Goals. Actually really like that very simple monochrome color scheme. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you.